I know you love me, I know you care. Just shout whenever.
I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Also, please make sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you're notified of all my upcoming videos. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for watching. So in this video, I wanted to do a pinup makeup look. And as you can see, for summer, I always think of pinup girls. You know, it's always been an icon for me for the summer. Like, it was a symbol of summer was pinup, and I always loved the makeup look and loved the hairstyles. And of course, since the beginning of summer, for Father's Day, did a quick pinup makeup look just to test it out. Turned out great. Obviously, the South Florida heat totally destroyed it. So I posted a picture on Instagram, and it was on my Instagram story. So if you saw it, you know what I was going through that day. It was like a melting face. But anyways, this is kind of a revamp of Father's Day makeup look, and also the hair. I will be posting a quick hair tutorial on 2 pinup hairstyles. Super easy, no curling iron required, just hairspray, bandanas, and a few bobby pins. So if you want to know how to get this makeup look, please keep on watching. To moisturize and prime my face, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Argan Oil Touch of Gold. I feel that this product gives my face a nice glowy look, although I could have done without it during the South Florida heat for Father's Day, but I do love this product. Using the last of my Hard Candy Sheer Envy 12-Hour Power Primer. Yes, I am applying this on top because I want my makeup to last all day, and I just feel that this works, doubling up on my products. Using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I am going to be using this foundation and apply this all over my face. This is the Matte and Poreless. I really do love this product, but you'll be glad to know that I am looking into other foundations finally. Something different for the summer. So of course I'm using a beauty blender and applying this all over my face, and of course over my lips, a trick I learned from Nikki tutorials because it really does make the lipstick pop. As you can tell, the foundation is a bit light for my skin, but I'm going to work with it. I'm going to try to get this down on my neck and around my ears, but you'll see it'll work out just fine. Now going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, I'm going to skip the whole eyebrow part and skip right into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and use this to prime my lids for my eyeshadow. I need the lightest color possible for this type of color combination because my skin is a bit dark and I do want the eyeshadows to really show and pop. Using the COTY AIRSPUN to just apply a very thin layer of powder to just set my foundation. This also helps catch any fallout from my eyeshadow. Going in now with the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani eyeshadow palette. I really thought I was going to use this eyeshadow palette for the entire look. I'm using the color Zone here just to apply on the crease as a transition color all over crease shadow. So just apply this liberally with a fluffy crease brush, and just don't be afraid to just apply it as much as you want. I've learned to slightly build up on the color as need be, just a trick I learned from Nicole Guerrero, so this is what I'm doing here. I ended up switching to the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette and going in with the color Sparkling Cider. I'm using a flat packing brush to go ahead and apply that color on my lower eyelid, and I'm going to be working that up into the transition color. Here I took a brush with absolutely no color on it, and I'm just blending the 2 colors together. Here I'm applying Sparkling Cider on the inner corners and just slightly fading that crease color out a bit. Now applying the color Pastry, I'm going to take another crease brush and just apply this on the outer V and darken that area up a bit and give myself more depth with that color. to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to apply the color Banana Cream right, just dust that on there right underneath the eyebrows. Now going in with the color Frosted Pink, and this is a trick that I also learned from Nikki tutorials. You just go ahead and apply this in the middle of your eye, and it just gives it more of that slightly wet look. And the brush was slightly wet, and this applied nicely, and I just worked that up straight the middle, so right in the middle of your eye right there, and it just gives it that nice effect. I can't even explain it, but you can see it in the video. Now you can go ahead and darken your outer corner or outer V as need be. I want it a bit darker, so this is what I'm doing here. Now going in with my favorite color in this palette, Whipped Cream. I just love this color. Using a small smudge brush because it's so tiny and compact, and I can do this in my inner corner of my eye. Apply this like beaming flashlights. That's what it looks like to me. And then of course highlighting the brow bone, just the tail end of the eyebrow right there. Now I'm just cleaning up and blending where it needs cleaning and blending. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. I am going to now apply my wing liner. Now with a pinup makeup look, you need the most beautiful wing liner that you can possibly do. And I am using this fabulous brush that has a curved tip or a bent tip, which makes it easier for me since I'm left-handed. And this is how I'm applying my wing liner. Of course, you can make this as thin or as thick as you want, but because I have hooded eyes, I really need to be careful and not do too much because it just can make my eyes look smaller, or I can just look like I have really curvy winged eyes. I've done it before, it looks weird. So this is as thick as I like to go normally, and I'm sticking with this. To smoke the liner out more, I'm taking an angled brush and just slightly brushing it, and you can actually make that point there really pointy and predominant with this trick. Now to make my eyes look like they're a bit longer, I'm going to connect the bottom liner there to the wing and just kind of make sure that is like a straight line to the bottom, and just go about halfway to my eye because I don't want to make it look like I have small eyes. Now I picked up this little baby at a Ross. I don't even know the brand. I use this purple liner just to give myself a little bit something different, some color right there. I have 0 lower lash line lashes. And now going in with the color Hot Chocolate, I'm taking an angled brush and just going right underneath that color purple, just to give it a little bit, make it look like I have lashes. And here I just thought I'd add a little bit more of the whipped cream and just kind of connect it to the liner and eyeshadow I applied on my lower lash line. Going in now with the It Bye Bye Under Eye Cream Concealer. I love this product. I'm in trouble because I'm going to need to spend $24 on the next tube. So I'm going to start highlighting and concealing my face. I feel that doing this after my eyeshadow is done really helps me place where where I need to highlight my face properly. I love the method, so now I've switched to just doing it afterwards. I feel like it's not meshed in, blended in together like it used to be. So this is what I do now, and I just go underneath my eye, a bit on the side of my temples, between my eyebrows, down the middle of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin. So all the high points of my face. I know on the video it looks like it's too much, but really this product is insane. It is not too much at all. It's actually a very thin layer, and I'm just taking my It Cosmetics concealer, airbrush concealer brush, and I'm applying this product with using stippling motions and sweeping motions, just blending this all out nice and smooth, and just watch how this transforms my face. I absolutely love this.
Now in doing this, this does give my face so much more dimension. I have a very flat Filipino face, and it's amazing how this highlighting your face can really give your face more dimension, lift areas and flatten areas and slim down areas. Contouring and highlighting is just an awesome method to use. So if you've never done it before, definitely practice. All makeup, no matter what you do, takes so much practice. This took me forever to learn, so start practicing. Here I'm just taking the COTY AIRSPUN and just setting the concealer in, just going over the areas. I went over my highlight with the concealer, and with a regular powder brush I'm just going to apply another layer just to blend everything in. So this is supposed to be a summer pinup makeup look. I cannot forget the contouring. I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I would show it to you, but it's in pieces. I've showed it to you in the past in other videos, so you can definitely look that up in my other makeup tutorial videos. Just applying this on the hollows of my cheek, down my jawline, because I have that double chin. Sorry, I gotta admit it. Gotta slim it down, look like slimming it down. On the top of my forehead there, and just get on the side of my nose to give myself a little bit more of that contour, and of course to give my face that sun-kissed look. So now onto the lashes. I am using these false eyelashes by Kiss. These are very glam lashes for me, and now they are on. I'm super weird about blush, so I'm using this really light blush by Lychee and Gold by Seraphine Botanicals, and I really love the way this looked on my face. So now going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in rose gold, hitting my highlight brush hard with the setting spray. I am just applying this on the tops of my cheekbone, a little bit on the side of my my forehead there, and see that it's beaming. So I do bring it up the same way as I do my concealer and my highlight. Also highlighting a little bit between my eyebrows, making sure that I put that little bit on the tip of my nose because I have kind of a bulbous nose. Don't want to do the whole thing. It'll just look huge. On my Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. For lips, I am using the Kylie Lip Kit in the color Mary Jo K. I don't know why they named it that. I can't even figure out which Kardashian is that, or if it's even a Kardashian at all. But anyways, this color is super poppin'. I love this red. It's very bright. Here I'm using the lip liner, and I'm going to go in with the Liquid Matte Suede lipstick in 1 minute. So because this lip color dries on matte, I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. I forgot which red this is. I'll put it in the description box below, and just apply this on top for a glossy, shiny look. Now for some musical entertainment brought to you by L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray.
Baby, baby, no, like baby, oh.
So locking this in all day, I am finishing off with this setting spray.
So this is my summer pinup makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit that like button below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my upcoming videos. You can also follow me on all my other social media platforms, and you may now find me on patreon.com. So to show your support, become a Patreon member on patreon.com/ccbglam. Question of the day: what celebrity to you is an icon for a pinup makeup look? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. Also, please let me know if you're interested in some hashtag sassy, sexy, sophisticated merch that is coming soon. As always, stay sassy, sexy, and sophisticated, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.